Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NCAA on NBA 2K. While there isn't an official college basketball mode, the dedicated community has created amazing content. We'll walk through finding and downloading these custom rosters and courts. This allows you to experience college hoops with your favorite teams and players. It's a fantastic way to bring the excitement of collegiate basketball into your game. Once you're in the main menu, head over to the Share and Download section. From there, choose Roster to access the community-created files. You'll want to use the search feature, looking for terms like NCAA, college, or specific team names. Many dedicated creators upload highly accurate rosters, often featuring hundreds of players, for you to enjoy. To truly immerse yourself, consider downloading custom draft classes that feature college players. This is perfect for my NBA mode, allowing you to draft future stars. Additionally, you can search for custom court designs to replicate your favorite college arenas. Applying these elements will significantly enhance your overall NCAA basketball experience within the game, making it feel more authentic. After downloading your preferred rosters and courts, remember to load the custom roster before starting any game mode. Whether you're jumping into a quick play now match or embarking on my NBA journey, ensure the custom roster is active. This is the key to playing with your favorite college teams and experiencing the unique feel of NCAA basketball within NBA 2K.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.